Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and let's see how much we can eat up in Veggie Grill really fast. So I got this $35, it's not a gift card, but it's a $35, I guess, gift certificate. You have to use it all at one time. Last time I came here, I easily spent $30, so let's go spend $35 in Veggie Grill right now. Yo, let's get this video started, and more importantly, let's go eat. Okay, just ordered food now, and I got this $35 off your next order, your next purchase. Veggie Grill does this special deal around Thanksgiving and also around Christmas time, where if you buy a gift card for someone, they give you a gift card too, sorta. Not exactly a gift card, but they give you money off the next time you purchase. The deal I found was buy a $100 gift card and get $35 off your next meal at Veggie Grill. So that's why I have this free coupon for $35 off at Veggie Grill. This is one of my favorite restaurants. This Oakland location is slightly different. I guess you're supposed to order here, but for some reason you don't order here. You order down here where you pay, and then they bring the food to you. I don't know, this is Oakland, this is how they do it down here. The one in Mountain View is totally different, but I can't wait for this food to appear, yo, and I can't make it disappear. Uh-oh, it's about that time. All right, here we have it. We got all the Veggie Grill, all the veggie food right here. Let's just talk about it really fast. Here I have some mac and cheese. I actually got this to go, but I wanted to show you guys just for the video. This is a spicy buffalo chicken wrap, vegan chicken wrap. I also got this to go too. But these are the main events here, the spicy buffalo wings. These are one of my favorite. Also with the, what is this? This is the ranch sauce. And here is a Beyond Burger with fries, and these are two different types of ketchup. This here is like, I forget, but this is another brand of ketchup, and I believe this ketchup here is Heinz ketchup. Some people say this has high fructose. Some people say this has high fructose corn syrup in it, and the other one does not. But honestly, I'm a bigger fan of this one than the other one. But every time I come here and I eat the french fries, I always run out of ketchup, so I just got a little bit more ketchup for the second go around on the fries. But for now, I'm about to bite into this Beyond Burger after I take off the tomato, because honestly, homeboy Jermaine is not a fan of potatoes. Not potatoes. Did I just call this a potato? I meant tomato, not potato. Tomato, not potato. Oh, garbage can right here. Bye-bye. Okay, so how do we eat this? We just eat it just like so. I don't need no demonstration on how to eat a Beyond Burger. Yo, let's make this up here. Now, maybe I should point this out. This is not like a paid video. This is not a sponsored video. This is just Jermaine Ellis hungry, and yo, I came to Veggie Grill because I had that coupon, and it's pretty much what I got going on. But let's try this mac and cheese, because I haven't had their mac and cheese for quite some time. That's really good. Now, the wings here are one of my favorite vegan wings. I just like the way they taste. I'm pretty sure I could easily make this at home. Like, it's not like the hardest thing in the world to make. But you guys know me, like I definitely don't have time to cook. I would rather do so many other things than go home and cook. Let's try this. I'm acting as if this is my first time trying it, and it's definitely not. But this is the first time I've had Veggie Grill in a very long time. Now, if you guys have never heard of Veggie Grill, it totally makes sense. They are growing, they're definitely on the rise, and they specialize in just vegan food. They make all sorts of vegan food, and it's not the type of place that just makes boring salads and they don't just serve just vegetables. They serve food kind of like what people are really used to, like burgers, hot wings. They even have like this fried chicken dinner you can get, and it has like mashed potatoes and like some sorts of greens and corn. They definitely have all sorts of great, amazing food here at Veggie Grill. Now they're slowly growing. If I'm not mistaken, they're not on the East Coast yet, but I just read something recently that they're about to add, I think, 40 plus more stores throughout the US. As of now, they're mainly on the West Coast. There's a lot of locations in California, and I believe they have locations in Portland. I believe the first Veggie Grill I went to was one in Portland. I was so stoked to walk into an actual restaurant and get a Beyond Burger. Back then, I remember, like, it was like 2 years ago when I first went to a Veggie Grill in Portland. I thought it was just mind-blowing, and now check this out. It's right here in Berkeley. It's right here in Oakland. Now we really need one in San Francisco. That would just be amazing if we had Veggie Grill in San Francisco, because honestly, I would go to Veggie Grill a whole lot more if they had Veggie Grill in San Francisco. Because I will say, this is not a cheap place. Like, it's definitely not. Like, I mean, you see how much food I got. It wasn't that much food, and it was kind of on the pricey side. I believe this is going to be one of the biggest complaints from non-vegans is, how can I go in there and pay $20 for a burger, fries, and some wings that are not even real wings? That's the biggest problem I see with Veggie Grill. But also at the same time, they're a very small chain. They're growing, and not everyone eats vegan food, so they have to sort of increase the prices so they can make money, they can make a profit, and then they can continue to grow and have more locations, and hopefully the prices come down. That's what I'm guessing. That's really what I really hope. That is exactly what I want to happen. Back in the car now, and I parked the car about 1.5 miles from Veggie Grill, and I was on the way back to the car, and I did not remember where I parked the car. Usually when I'm doing deliveries, Google Maps always tells me where I parked the car, and I was thinking, oh yeah, Google Maps will just tell me, but I didn't use Google Maps to go to Veggie Grill, so Google Maps did not save my parking spot. So good thing I did charge the booster board when I was at Veggie Grill, because I had to circle around the block a couple of times to find the car, but I just found the car, back in the car, back in this, what is this? Berkeley traffic? Yeah, it's like, what, 3:30? And looks like everybody's getting ready to go. Me, I'm getting ready to go. I'm gonna head back to the city and make some more money, knock out some deliveries, do my thing. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Yo.